Welcome to 113th episode of Campus This Week. I am RJ Samir from Mass Communication and Journalism Department, Siliguri, second semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salesian 90.8 FM. This show is brought to you by Souvik Udyog Siliguri, school and college uniform providers since 1995. The headlines this week. Salesian alumnus on solo peace mission visits violence hit Manipur. Induction program held for 108 new teachers. College partners in 2-day translation workshop in Kolkata. Radio Salesian spreads voter awareness for panchayat election. NSS volunteers attends National Integration Camp. The news in detail. Sonada, Salesian alumnus on solo peace mission visits violence hit Manipur, brother Banhunlang Lyngdoh of Psychology Department 6th semester reports.
Salesian College Sonada alumnus Archbishop Emeritus Thomas Menamparampil of Guwahati went on a solo peace mission to northeast Indian state of Manipur twice since ethnic violence started on 3rd May 2023. Hailed as an apostle of peace, Archbishop Thomas spent 3 days in Kuki tribal areas of Churachandpur and Kangpokpi, meeting with people in the relief camps, and 3 days in Meitei areas, meeting with their leaders. Ethnic conflict between predominantly Hindu Meitei community and tribal Christian Kukis has claimed some 100 lives and hundreds of damaged homes and burning of 142 villages, 400 plus churches and 83 church institutions. More than 40,000 people from different communities are sheltered in 272 relief camps, including community halls in 13 districts of Manipur. A tangible sign of his mission bearing fruit was on 5th June, when 18 religious leaders of various faith traditions jointly called for peace. Nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize in 2011, Archbishop Thomas has taken his peace mission to ethnic hotspots of northeastern India for the past 40 years.
Brother Banhunlang Lyngdoh reporting.
Our generation's vote is stronger than any others to change our future and our now.
Voice your vote. This is democracy.
Issued in public interest by Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, Voice of the Hills.
This is where you rise, this is where you shine, this is where you become the greatest of all time. History in the making. This is history in the making. History in the making.
Vote for your life.
Sonada, induction program held for 108 new teachers. Manish Pradhan from Mass Communication 2nd semester reports.
Salesian College Sonada hosted an induction program for 108 new teachers from 14 Don Bosco schools of Kolkata province from 14th to 16th June 2023. Some heads of school accompanied their teachers. Former Chancellor of Assam Don Bosco University, Father V.M. Thomas, was the chief resource person. Coordinators included Kolkata Province Delegate for Education and Culture, Father Nobby George, and Provincial Councillor for Higher Education, Dr. Father Tommy Augustine. Salesian College Sonada 1969 batch, Father Thomas conducted 7 lively sessions of 90 minutes duration on Salesian system of education in the modern world, 21st century skills in education, how to create a Don Bosco School of Excellence, and how to create good human beings. The event ended with a vote of thanks by Father Nobby George.
Manish Pradhan reporting. Siliguri, college partners in 2-day translation workshop in Kolkata. Utkristha Sharma, English Department 2nd semester reports.
Salesian College collaborated with the Center of Translation of Indian Literatures CENTIL Jadavpur University, Kolkata for a 2-day translation workshop on the short stories of Nepali author Shivakumar Rai from 15th to 16th June 2023. 20 translators associated with CENTIL translated 10 of his short stories from Nepali into English and Bengali. Shivakumar Rai was a Nepali language writer and politician from Darjeeling who won the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1978 for his collection of short stories Khari. He was the first Gorkha minister of West Bengal after becoming a deputy minister in 1952. Dr. Sujata Rani Rai, Department of Nepali, Darjeeling Government College, delivered the keynote address on the works of Shivakumar Rai. 6 resource persons consisting of faculty and scholars from Kolkata and Darjeeling guided the translators. Assistant Professor, Department of Film Studies at Jadavpur University, Dr. Shraddhanjali Tamang, Assistant Professor, Department of English at Salesian College, Siliguri, Mr. Pema Gyalchen Tamang, and Assistant Professor of English at Darjeeling Government College, Ms. Ripandi Lepcha, coordinated the workshop.
Utkristha Sharma reporting. Sonada, Radio Salesian spreads voter awareness for panchayat elections program. Coordinator RJ Samir reports.
The Hill District of Darjeeling in West Bengal will witness panchayat elections after 23 years on 8th July 2023. Radio Salesian has started a campaign launching initiatives to spread awareness about the voting rights and responsibilities of every citizen. This campaign in both Nepali and English languages started on the 12th of June. Radio Salesian team has launched numerous public service announcements called PSAs as a way of informing the public and the community about the process of elections and the challenges that could be posed to the voters. These PSAs include topics like Every Vote Matters, Vote for a Better Tomorrow, Save Yourself from Voter Fraud and many more.
RJ Samir reporting. Siliguri NSS Volunteer attends National Integration Camp. Manasi Mishra of Economics Department 2nd semester reports.
Salesian College Siliguri NSS Volunteer Anavara Thapa of BSc Computer Science 2nd semester was one of the 10 students from West Bengal selected to attend National Integration Camp held at Assam Kaziranga University, Jorhat from 9th to 15th June 2023. Some 230 students from 10 states participated in the 7-day camp sponsored by Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of India. The aims of the camp were promote brotherhood and sisterhood, reduce differences in religion, region, race, language and culture, as well as propagate principles of tolerance and harmony. Daily camp routine included early morning rising for physical fitness activities, followed by campus cleaning and life skills training. Campers were engaged in activities which nurture feelings of patriotism, loyalty and fraternity. Assam BJP MLA and Minister of Sports and Youth Welfare Mrs. Nandita Gurlosa visited the camp and attended a cultural program.
Manasi Mishra reporting. Photo of the week. 7 students from Assam Don Bosco University Mass Communication Department will do 1-month internship with Radio Salesian 90.8 FM from 29 June to 28 July 2023. This is the 6th batch of interns from ADBU. This show is brought to you by Sovik Udyog Siliguri, the school and college uniform providers since 1995. Thank you for being with us. Enjoy the rest of your day.